Welcome back to Daytime Live, and of course, a big shout out to the students of Excelsior Community College. Yeah, big up for the self. Now, it's time for Wacky News. Leg-lengthening procedures are on the rise and have become popular among men. This is what a doctor has said. Limb lengthening surgery is a procedure which makes an arm or a leg bone longer, and it's also used to treat skeletal. Clive, move. Skeletal dysplasia. Now, bone growth issues and bone length differences. The surgery costs thousands of dollars and can be an intense process.
All right. So, however, it's actually become very popular and accepted in the last 5 years. Now, according to Dr. Shahab Mabobian, try say that now?
Mabobian.
I say it already for you, that's why it's easy. A surgeon at the Height Lengthening Institute in Burbank, California. He's saying that I even have 60 to 65-year-old guys that have come to me to undergo the
you have gentlemen out there who feel
I get it. I'm sure I get it, right?
They've gotten the short end of the stick in life.
Oh, Jesus, he went on. So
they want a longer branch.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay. But you know, it's on
because they want to root out
on a semi-serious note, though.
Right.
Apparently, men who are of a particular height, like Clive, do have challenges with the fact that they are that particular height because they are teased and ridiculed, and you want to have these different things when they say about short man and something there. So it becomes a thing where it causes insecurity, and so if this is available, I'm sure many men would want to take advantage of it in different ways, like Clive.
And then they can't, like, their bed have to be a certain height.
Yeah. Ooh, right. The women have to be a certain... It rough out there.
Short men typically like taller women, though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, which is right. That who say which is right?
They do.
So tall men like what? Shorter women?
No, not necessarily. I'm 6'1" and I wouldn't want someone who's taller than I am.
Why not?
Why? Me, at 6'1", I want somebody who was 6'3", 6'4".
So she can't beat you.
Beat me to what?
Read.
In a race?
Read.
No. Anna Melfair, who is 26, happily moved in with her 33-year-old partner, Louise, last year. But she quickly got annoyed by his loud snoring and constant wheezing when they started sharing a bed. Now she's snorting all the way to the bank as she cashes in on his nighttime sounds.
Good girl.
It all began when Malfair complained to her boyfriend that his snoring was keeping her up at night, to which he reportedly insisted it wasn't that bad. He would always deny it. So, of course, I did the obvious thing. This was by Malfair said, who lives in Mexico City, and she explained what she did.
So this is what she did. She said, I got proof through a sound recording because a video would be awfully creepy, she said. So she decided to continue recording, gathering almost a year's worth of sounds. Then she continued by saying, when I played him the audio, he thought it was hilarious. So I kept recording him whenever I got the chance. She eventually decided to ask a few of her friends who are musicians to make songs out of the recordings. Then she uploaded the tracks to Spotify last year, and guess what? They quickly took off, gaining traction among fans who wanted to listen to the sweet, soft snores. So the Spotify account is titled Snoring Machine, which counts over 16,800 monthly listeners. You see now, when you say you take your hand, make fashion, right? Because, all right, she recorded him, it was a little weird, but to prove that you saw it snore loud, but then she find a way to monetize it.
Okay, so
me like that part there.
He snores.
Yes.
He doesn't believe that
it's that bad, right?
Right, or it doesn't
yes.
that bad. She records him for an entire year?
Because she said he actually found it hilarious.
So every night when him asleep, you record?
She record him, yes.
She's a security guard.
But it worked out for her because now she carrying money. So all if them break up, you know, the money they are still fair, you know.
Ah, he. My snore. My snore.
Him better copyright him snore.
And
So
my
he
snore.
can't get royalties.
Anybody here? Any of you snore?
I don't snore.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, we know, so we don't snore.
Have any of you been accused of snoring? You. Allegedly.
There's no recording, right, President? Exactly. No recording.
Have you ever like fallen asleep and then your snoring wake you up? Like you drop asleep and
Has that happened to you?
Yeah, it happened to me
Oh
already.
my, all right. Never happened to me. I don't snore. But in the meantime, we can go to the break. Yeah.
bet.
Me no snore.
Fair. Sunny. Not tell no lie, Sunny. Don't do that,
That's not
Sunny.
a lie. It's perspective.
I am sure.
With the recording, me no snore. You hear me snore, Odessa? Odessa, my producer. When me and you sleep in the same bed for you here. Don't answer.
Daytime Live will be right back. And it's all about Mr. and Miss Excelsior Community College. I'm stopping this right here. This not going any further.